Hello everyone, and welcome to day 1 of your 5-day English challenge. I'm so excited that you're here, and I'm really proud of you for taking the first step toward improving your English. Why do English teachers always start with introductions? Because that 10-second speech determines whether people will keep talking to you. Skip the awkward mistakes. Here's the bulletproof way to introduce yourself that works every single time. Today, we'll focus on one of the most important and basic skills in any language: introducing yourself in English. Being able to introduce yourself is essential because it's the first thing you'll do when you meet someone new. Whether you're at a party, in a class, or at work, being able to introduce yourself with confidence is crucial. In this lesson, I'll walk you through how to say your name, where you're from, and what you do. These are simple sentences, but they'll help you start having real conversations in English. So let's get started. Step 1. Saying your name. The first thing you want to know how to say in any language is your name. When you meet someone new, what's the first thing you say? Your name. Right. Most people choose between two simple options. The first is, "Hello, my name is." And the second is, "I'm." Today, we'll practice both so you can use them correctly. "My name is" sounds slightly more formal. Use this when meeting someone important, like in a job interview or at school. "I'm" sounds more casual and friendly, perfect for meeting new friends. Both are correct. It just depends on the situation. Let's practice this together. You can repeat after me. Ready? Hello, my name is your name. For example, hello, my name is Sarah. Hello, my name is John. As you can see, it's very simple. You just say hello, then use my name is, and finally, add your name. You can also say, I'm your name. For example, I'm John. Now practice both ways right now. First formal, good morning, my name is Anna. Now casual, hey, I'm Anna. Pay attention to the different feeling each creates. The words are similar, but the situations change everything. Pause the video and say your name out loud using both phrases. Hello, my name is your name, and I'm your name. Don't be shy. The more you practice speaking, the easier it will get. Now that you can introduce yourself, let's add where you're from to make your introduction even better. Step 2. Saying where you are from. After you say your name, people usually ask where you're from. The simplest way to answer is, I am from, and then your country or city. This helps people understand your background and makes conversations more interesting. Let's practice this important phrase together. I am from city country. For example, I am from Pakistan. I am from the United States. If you're from a small town, you can say the nearest big city. For example, I am from near Milan, or I am from a small town near Seoul. Practice with me. I am from a small town near Madrid. Good job. Some learners say I came from instead of I am from. These have different meanings. I am from means your home country. I came from means where you traveled from today. For example, I came from work is different from I am from Canada. Pause the video and try saying where you are from. Say it out loud right now. I am from. Try it 3 times to feel comfortable. You're doing great. Now that you can say your name and where you're from, let's add one more important detail: what you do for work or study. This makes your introduction complete. Step 3. Talking about what you do now. Let's talk about what you do. After saying your name and where you're from, people often ask about your work or studies. The easiest way is to say I am a plus your job. For example, I am a teacher or I am a doctor. Let's practice it together. For example, if you are a student, I am a student. If you work, I am a profession. For example, I am a teacher or I am an engineer. Repeat after me. I am a student. Good. Now try I am a programmer. Notice how we use a before the job. A common mistake is saying I am doctor without a. English always requires this small word. Try it again with me. I am a nurse. Perfect. You can also say I work as a. This sounds more natural in some situations. For example, I work as a chef or I work as a driver. Try both ways now. First, I am a designer. Now, I work as a designer. Both are correct. Remember these key points. Always use a or an before your job. Say, I am a or I work as a. Pronounce job titles carefully. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Keep practicing. Pause the video and think about what you do. Are you a student? Do you have a job? Are you a stay-at-home parent? Try to make a sentence about what you do. You can now say your name, where you're from, and what you do. Let's put it all together in the next section. Step 5. Practice time. Now it's time to practice everything you've learned. Pause the video here and try introducing yourself out loud. Say your name first, then where you're from, and finally what you do. The order is important. Start with, hello, my name is, or hi, I'm. Then say, I am from, and finish with, I am a, or I work as a. Don't worry about mistakes. This is practice time. Take a moment right now to think about what you'll say. Picture yourself meeting someone new. What would you tell them? First your name, then your country or city, then your job or studies. If you're not sure about the pronunciation, say it slowly. It's better to speak clearly than to speak fast. Use the following sentence structure. Hello, my name is your name. I am from city country. I am a job talk activity. Say it with me. Hello, my name is Maria. I am from Spain. I am a teacher. Good. Now try your own introduction. Remember to use your real information. Say it 2 or 3 times until it feels comfortable. Many people feel nervous speaking English at first. That's normal. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Try standing up when you practice. It helps you speak more clearly. Also, smile when you speak. It makes your voice sound friendlier. These small things make a big difference. Tomorrow, we'll build on this by adding hobbies and interests to your introduction. But first, make sure you can say today's information clearly. Try practicing with a friend if you can. Remember, you're not just learning words, you're learning how to start real conversations. You've completed day 1. Great job. You did a fantastic job. Tomorrow, we'll expand your introduction by adding hobbies and interests. Keep practicing today's phrases. Try saying them to a friend or recording yourself. These basics will help you start real conversation. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more English lessons. Leave a comment telling me where you're from. See you tomorrow for day 2, where we'll make your introductions even better. Keep practicing every day. I'm really excited for day 2. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.